Hey up and welcome to my latest video. We're off to the big smoke today. We're off to Leeds station. So here we are, we're just setting up. I decided to paint the barrier area, the main entrance to the platforms. This is all going to change, so in not long at all, this won't even be recognisable. What I'm going to paint today, it'll be gone. So it's nice to capture it for a bit of history. So Leeds has currently around 24 million a year passing through it, people. So I'm just blocking in now, just getting some basic shapes. It's interesting painting to do this because there's so many different angles, but it's simple shapes. It's great to be in Leeds train station. It's an honour really, and I've got a barrier there just to keep people safe from my paintbrushes. Now I'm just painting in the barriers that people come through. There's just some Payne's grey and some titanium white in there, just blocking in. Leeds train station is also known as Leeds City Railway Station. It's a main line railway station serving the centre of Leeds, which is in West Yorkshire. Located on New Station Street to the south of City Square, behind the famous hotel, Queen's Hotel. During lockdown, as a train crew, we had our lunch breaks at the Queen Hotel for social distancing. So I used to work at Leeds Station for 4 years before I went to Harrogate. So I know this station pretty well. There's 18 platforms from 0 to 17. But being a Harrogate conductor, we tend to stick to 0 to 3 or 4, the occasional 5 and 6. And the cold platforms with all the wind runs through, that's on the 17, going to Sheffield and Manchester, etc. They look after us. Interesting light. I'm just having a cuppa now. Interesting light at the painting this, or the false light, which I work on at the studio a bit later on. Leeds City Station is one of 20 stations managed by Network Rail. So a big thank you for Network Rail letting me paint here. And from December 2023 it was the busiest station in West Yorkshire as well as in Yorkshire and Humberside. It's the 4th busiest station in the UK outside of London, after Birmingham New Street, Manchester Piccadilly and Glasgow Central. Putting some thick oil in there. It opened on the 2nd of May 1938. It was rebuilt in 1967 and then rebuilt again 2002. That's when I joined the railway 23 years ago. Here we're using a squeegee. It's great for doing lines and textures. You can use old cards, old credit cards or anything really to get this effect, but the squeegee does feel nice. Destinations from Leeds. Yeah, you've got Harrogate, obviously, York, Scarborough, Hull, Doncaster, Sheffield, Plein, Yorkshire, Bradford, Wakefield, Dewsbury, Huddersfield, Halifax, and then all the way down to London. Just getting some people on there. There's no detail really to this painting, or the illusion of detail. It's just me enjoying using this little squeegee brush I've got. It's just a rubber-ended brush. I use it for more abstract work. That's now I'm using the palette knife just to do some little details. Now we're in the studio, so just adding little bits to it. It's not a detailed painting, but I'm just using the small brush here just to add little bits of detail like heads and bodies. Just put a little wash of yellow over it just to get the light in. The squeegee's back out again. I enjoyed this painting. And I'll see you all soon. Till next time. Wonder where I'll be next.